Peripheral neuropathy is the term that is used for a group of medical conditions where the peripheral nervous system of the patient is damaged. The peripheral nervous system, which is different from the central nervous system, is a network of nerves that mainly lies outside the spinal cord. It is comprised of different kinds of nerves, each with specific functions, such as sensory nerves. It is mainly responsible for the transmission of sensations like touch and pain. Motor nerves, it is in charge of muscles controlling. Autonomic nerves, it is designated to regulate the automatic functions of the human body, for example, the bladder function and blood pressure. Finding a treatment that works. The damage to the peripheral nerves of the body can cause a wide range of symptoms based on the nerves that are affected. In a lot of cases, the medical condition gradually develops in the body and becomes apparent in the extremities, such as the arms, legs, hands and feet. If you're like most people who have this condition, then you will most likely go to a doctor for help. Sadly, the most common response doctors tell their patients is that there is no absolute cure or treatment that reverses this condition. You can only wish for a miracle to happen to soothe all the painful sensations and the discomforts so that you can enjoy cycling, walking, and even simple touching once again. Can neuropathy be cured? Well, if you are hopeless, then we want to inform you that there may be a solution for nerve pain, and that is called Nerve Renew. It is a natural dietary supplement formula which is composed of key components that are scientifically studied to reduce and in some cases, eliminate the pain, tingling, and burning symptoms caused by neuropathy. Studies have found that neuropathy can be caused by many medical conditions, with the most common being diabetes. The symptoms experienced are often correlated with the degeneration of the nerves. Nerve degeneration usually occurs from nutritional deficiencies, which results in poor blood supply and a reduction of the myelin sheath, known as the protective layer around nerves. The most common type of neuropathy depends on the number of nerves are affected and the extent of the condition. In the worst cases, the condition can cause bowel and bladder problem, paralysis, and muscle weakness. Only someone who suffers from peripheral neuropathy understands the pain it causes in everyday life. Only a few treatments are available at hand. It needs a potent dietary supplement to stop it. What are the ingredients? Vitamins and antioxidants. Benfotiamine or vitamin B1, which is a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1 that is proven clinically to help regenerate nerve damage and increase overall nerve health. It also helps slow down the progression of diabetic complications and safeguard against nerve damage caused by oxidative stress. Riboflavin or vitamin B2 is very effective in slowing down damage as well as controlling the neuropathy. Pyridoxine HCl or vitamin B6 is a clinically proven nerve and brain tonic, which helps to reverse the nerve damage and increases vascular supply functions. Methylcobalamin or vitamin B12 is very useful and comparatively cheaper and very much available. Many studies have found that lacking of vitamin B12 gradually worsens symptoms, and it can be reduced by the intake of a proper amount. Cholecalciferol or vitamin D3 is an excellent blood circulation booster and a very useful molecule which helps the maintenance of nerves receptor. RALA or stabilized R-alpha lipoic acid is a both water and fat-soluble, effective component that supports healthy nerve cells. It is very effective and a lot cheaper than the SALA. Additional herbs. Feverfew extract. This herb is commonly used around the world for pain relief and reducing inflammation through the use of a compound called parthenolide, which blocks the release of inflammatory markers in the body. By suppressing inflammation, it is known to aid in the relief of chronic nerve pain. Extract of oat straw, a grassy green herb and a vitamin B complex which works against pain and increases immunity. It can also help relieve itchy skin. Like feverfew, it reduces inflammatory markers which helps with pain and inflammation associated with some forms of neuropathy. Lastly, it is known to be beneficial for calming the entire nervous system and easing anxiety. Passion flower extract, an herb which provides many anti-anxiety and antidepressant benefits by increasing the levels of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, in the brain. GABA provides a calming effect on the mind and nervous system of the body by slowing activity levels of brain cells. Skullcap extract. When nerves become sensitive to the touch, it can leave one feeling anxious and on edge. Skullcap tends to calm an overactive nervous system by increasing blood flow to the brain. It also provides some anti-inflammatory benefits. Does it really work? As we all know, this condition strikes due to a lack of nutrients in the body. This is why nerve support supplements are recommended. Here are some of the commonly reported benefits of this supplement. It prevents damage of the nerves by promoting the nerve regeneration at the cellular level. It develops vascular supply at first to the brain and later to the region that is affected. As a result, it helps the regain of most of the function. It has an anti-anxiety and antidepressant action as well, which ultimately decreases the irritability and increases the quality of sleep. Minimizes the numbness in legs, hands and feet. The quality of sleep increases and stress is reduced. It reduces the burning-like sensation in hands and feet. Complaints and side effects. To date, no negative complaints or side effects of Nerve Renew has been reported. However, since it contains skullcap as the herbal ingredient, it is not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. Scientific studies have proven that all the supplements of vitamin B are totally safe. Is it a scam? After conducting our own research for this review on the ingredients and reading the scientific studies behind why they work, our opinion is that this nerve support formula is 100% legitimate and not a scam. Furthermore, the Neuropathy Treatment Group has been around since 2011 and has a good reputation on the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Pros: manufactured in USA, 1-year 100% money-back guarantee, ingredients proven by clinical studies. Cons: not recommend for pregnant women, not the cheapest supplement, but you're paying for the best quality ingredients. Customer reviews. Peter says, I have taken Nerve Reestablish for a long time now, and I can let you know for me it works for neuropathy in my feet. It doesn't remove it totally, yet it has a major effect. In any event, I can rest better than I can without it. It might take a month, or two, to truly see. It may be unpretentious like it was for me, yet with everything taken into account it worked for me. Kristen is saying, I have taken it for my neuropathy. It unquestionably made a difference. I never again endure around evening time. I have it now for my better half and trusting it causes him. I am satisfied with the product. Click the description link to buy in details.